You gonna put some in here?
Papa.
Oh.
Ah.
Pretty.
Is that pretty? Put it in the bucket.
Done.
Done.
Oh no, you can't have the video. No. No
Play the
video.
quack quacks, Grandpa.
No video.
Where's the quack quacks? What did the duck say, Michael?
Michael.
Quack quack.
And the big duck goes quack, quack, quack. Uh-oh, there goes the Holy Bible.
Well, get it away.
No, you can't have the Holy Bible. No, 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 no.
No, guess not, Michael. You lose on that.
I can get it up there, man. That's no problem.
Hey, that's
You can
better,
have
Pam.
that.
Thank you.
Yeah, you can have that.
What'd you
There's
find?
the rest of the
Oh,
set.
that's a good boy.
There's the rest of the set.
Put the cover on. Did you put the cover on too, didn't you?
I think this picture should be banned.
Which one is that?
The one with Ethan, Dad, and I. We like that one.
I like that one.
That might make Michael cry when he gets older.
You think so?
Give him nightmares.
I think he'll think, oh, they all like me.
Right
They're
down
funny.
Me.
Are they funny, Michael?
Here, you sit up, then I'll give it up to you. There you go.
Hey, Ben.
Uh-oh. Yeah, those are good pictures.
What'd you find?
Oh my goodness,
Well,
I didn't know what in the
thank
world.
you, Michael. What's that?
I couldn't imagine what was coming up here.
Michael. Hey, Mike's. Mikey.
Mikey? I thought his name was Michael.
Okay, well, at daycare now it's Mikey.
Who's this?
Baby Mikey. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Look at this, Michael. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. Show Grandma.
That's pretty, isn't it? Isn't that pretty?
Wow.
Huh?
I can't believe he's not tired.
He is, though. He's sweaty. He's so tired.
Who's that?
Papa.
Yeah,
Baby.
baby.
Yes.
Yeah, there's a baby.
Who is that? He said.
I swear I heard him say that. Can you touch Mama's
Oh.
dangly earrings? Huh? Pretty. Pretty?
Yeah, isn't that pretty? Pretty on this side too.
He likes There's a
Joey,
baby,
you just
yeah.
probably like
Baby.
Baby.
Look at the
You
baby.
tell Grandma? Tell Grandma about those babies. Right up there, Michael. See?
Up here.
Baby?
Hi, Michael.
Baby up there.
Did you find the babies?
Blow Grandma
Huh?
a kiss. Blow Grandma a kiss. Blow Pammy a kiss. Blow Pammy a kiss. Let's do it together, okay, Michael? Here we go. Mwah! Oh! Thanks.
Show him one thing. Oh,
Oh,
there you go.
thank you, Michael.
Oh, what a nice boy you are.
Yes. You're a very nice boy.
Whoa!
Give him to Grandpa.
Keep me running, you said, like I'm on a treadmill.
Where'd you go?
Huh, go.
One at a time now.
What you got?
Now you do it.
That's cute.
Oh.
There it goes. You can't pop it out like the old golf ball, huh?
Cute picture. Cute.
Yeah.
Should we see if we can do it with the golf ball? Now I got the camera working again.
Where's the golf ball?
Kids are on the bus. Kids
Down
are
the
on the
steps.
bus.
Off the bus now.
Goodness. Your mouth isn't quite that big.
Oh yeah?
You
What you got?
Bring it here, Michael.
He's got teeth in there now. I suppose there isn't room,
Hey.
huh?
We'll get it in his mouth. He can't get it out.
Wasn't that pretty hard? I wouldn't make that.
Spit it out.
In his mouth, David.
3 months.
Deborah.
He
Monkey
had,
see, monkey do.
Melvin, he had it in there, remember, when he was real
Yes,
little?
I know it. He just had it in there now, too. But
I
is that
know.
is it a good ID?
Well, he can't swallow it.
Well, I don't know. Oh, those two are weird.
Get it!
There it goes.
You do it again? Let's see. Can you do it again?
Show Grandpa.
Look, Grandpa.
Oh. Oh.
Spit it out.
His eyes even bulge.
There it goes.
I got it now. Now I wonder why I get a cold.
Yeah. You should be immune to him by now.
Oop! Let's see. See you do it now.
Whoa, was that fun?
Where is it? Ooh, there's something to crawl through. Ooh. Wow.
What'd you
Yeah.
Wheels on the
do?
bus go round and round, round and round. The doors on the bus go bumpity bump.
Yeah,
All
that'd be wonderful.
over town. What a monkey.
Hey, that's a view there, Michael.
Bah, Michael. Bah. Hey, Michael. Can you wave at Grandma? Wave at her. Wave.
There goes the ball. Here it comes. Here it comes. Woo! Boop.
You're gonna have a big mouth. They're gonna call you golf ball mouth.
We'll be able to take him golfing. He'll be eating the balls.
Whoa! Pop it out, Michael.
Oh, gosh.
I'd like to know what you're saying.
Yep. Dad's gonna be real happy we taught you this. Look at his mouth. How are you gonna get it out?
That's it's a thought.
Yes, it is.
All gone. Oh, you're too smart for me. Show Grandma. Show
You
Grandma.
say that again.
Oh, Michael, what you
He's
got?
smarter than the average bear.
What you got in your mouth?
You gotta go take a nap, Michael. Does he ever do go without taking a nap and then just go to bed at night? Huh?
Like 7:30.
Boy,
not-
you're getting good at
Not
that.
irritable or cranky or.
Maybe we can distract him.
Come get my
Whoa, Michael.
Look at that.
Dad.
Sure.
Now where are you?
Hey, what are you doing in my chair?
Are you in Grandpa's chair?
Oh, and he got his juice.
Now he's gonna lay down on a chair and drink his juice.
Why don't you sit down?
Hi, Pam.
Sit. Hey, sit down. No, okay,
Oh,
back on.
Michael.
Don't do that.
Here he comes.
He can get up.
Whoop,
get up.
there he goes.
He gets sick.
Whoa, here he comes.
A little drink?
I ain't got time to drink, Pam, and I got places to go and things to do.
That was pretty fun, huh?
He's liking that, yep.
He's like, I can get up on something.
Whoa, rockabye, rockabye.
He thinks this is like a trampoline.
Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Careful.
He thinks he's on the trampoline.
When I hard laid down for a Coke, Dad, you asked me if I wanted a Coke, and I went, yeah, Diet Coke. Michael sat there and he went, Dad!
Are you helping Grandpa? Look what Grandpa's doing.
Michael, there's Grandma.
Where you going?
You know what he's doing, don't
Yeah,
you?
no.
Got Grandma's picture. Haven't you? What you doing? Huh? What a smart kid. Whoa. Oh, no, no. No, no. No, no. Don't tear the plant. That's a good boy. That's our big boy. Yeah. No, no. No, no. Don't do that. That's a good boy. Yeah. You gonna go knock down the tower? Go get Grandpa's tower. Go get... Michael, no, no. Get Grandpa's tower.
Oh, no,
Go
no,
get
here
it.
comes the old destruction
Go get
baby.
No.
That's it. Ah! There goes my tower!
Oh!
Here he comes. What are you doing? Oh no! Around. Look at that, Michael.
What are you doing, Wayne?
Hi.
Way up on top of the swing, Mom. Such a big guy.
Here he comes. Oh my goodness.
Look at there.
Look at you.
How big you are. Now you stand right there.
Here he comes. There he goes. Michael! Oh!
Now we're gonna eat a rock. Rock, 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 rock around the clock.
What have you got, Michael? What have you got?
You're not eating rocks, are you?
Yeah.
You can't eat rocks, Michael. You can't eat rocks. No, 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 no.
Rockhead, hey, Michael the Rocky.
I'm gonna get your nose, Michael. Michael. I'm
Bonk,
gonna get your
bonk.
nose.
Let's see.